This is a justification for the perpendicular bisector of line segment. So this is the line segment of AB, and PQ is a perpendicular bisector. So now first we join the AP, AQ, QB and the BP. So join, and in triangle PAQ, first triangle is PAQ. This is the first triangle PAQ and PBQ. Both two triangles are. So AP equal to BP. AP is equal to the BP. This is the BP. AP equal to BP because the arc of equal radii, and the AQ equal to BQ. Same arc of equal radii, and this the PQ equal to PQ are the common side. So the triangle PAQ equal and the congruent by the triangle PBQ by the SSS congruency rule, because here three sides are equal, because AP equal to BP, AQ equal to BQ and PQ equal to PQ is common. So both are the three sides. So side congruency rule. So therefore angle APM, this is AP and M equal to the BPM. Both angles are equal by the corresponding part of congruent triangle. It means CPCT. Now let's take in triangle PMA and triangle PMB. So PMA and the PMB, AP equal to BP. Here AP equal to BP by arc of equal radii, and the PM is a common side. So PM equal to PM. So therefore angle APM is equal to angle BPM. You have already proved in this angles. So now therefore triangle PMA equal and congruent triangle PMB by the SAS congruence rule. S means be given two sides and the one angle, and the AM equal to BM by the CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Now angle PMA equal to the PMB, both angles be equal. So this is the equation 1, and angle PMA and the PMB equal to 180 degree by the linear pair, because this is a straight line and a straight line make a 180 degree. So the both angles will be make a 180 degree. Now this is the equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, so we get, put here PMA equal to PMB. So PMB plus angle PMB equal to 180 degree. So 2 of angle PMB equal to 180. It means angle PMB equal to 90 degree. Here angle PMB equal to angle PMA. Each angle will be make 90 degree. Here we make a 90 degree. So hence proved PQ. It means PMQ is a bisector of the line segment of AB. So PMQ is a bisector of line segment AB.